Hi everyone, I'm Elena Cherry Blossom and welcome back to my channel. If you're a new mom and using a breast pump feels confusing, uncomfortable, or a little overwhelming at first, please know that you're not alone. Today, I want to walk you through a simple and gentle breast pump tutorial that you can follow at your own pace. My goal is to keep everything calm, practical, and easy to understand, especially if you're still getting used to pumping. Let's start by taking a quick look at the pump. Most pumps have a soft silicone breast shield or cup that sits against the breast and creates a gentle seal. Collection bottle or container attaches underneath and is designed to collect the milk as you pump. Before you begin, make sure all of the parts are clean and properly assembled according to the instructions that came with your pump. When you're ready, find a comfortable position and gently place the breast shield so that it sits naturally and securely. Shouldn't feel painfully tight, and you shouldn't feel strong pulling or pinching. Take a moment to make sure everything feels comfortable before turning the pump on. If you're using an electric pump, start with the lowest or gentlest setting. If you're using a manual pump, begin with slow, gentle movements. There's no need to start quickly or use strong suction. Your body may need a little time to adjust, and starting gently can make the experience feel much more comfortable. One thing I've learned, Elena, is that relaxing can make a big difference. Take a few slow breaths and try not to put pressure on yourself. Some moms find it helpful to think about their baby, look at a picture, or simply sit somewhere quiet and comfortable. The more relaxed you feel, the easier the pumping session may feel. As milk begins to collect, continue at a comfortable rhythm. You don't have to rush or compare your amount with anyone else's. Every mother and every body is different, and the amount of milk can vary from one session to another. What matters is finding a routine that works comfortably for you. And if something doesn't feel right, don't ignore it. Pause the pump, check the position, and make a small adjustment. Pumping should not be something you have to force yourself through. If you're experiencing ongoing pain or have concerns about pumping or milk supply, it can be helpful to speak with a qualified lactation professional or healthcare provider. Once you're finished, gently remove the pump and carefully secure the collection bottle. Follow the cleaning instructions for your particular pump, and wash the parts that come into contact with breast milk as recommended. Keeping everything clean and ready for the next session can make your routine much easier. Remember, pumping is a learning process. The first few sessions might not feel perfect, and that's completely okay. With time, you may become more familiar with your pump, your body, and the routine that feels best for you. So be patient with yourself, take things one step at a time, and give yourself plenty of grace. Cherry Blossom, you're already doing something incredibly meaningful for your baby, and you deserve kindness and support along the way. If this gentle tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple breastfeeding, pumping, and new mom tips. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. Take care of yourself, Elena, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.